how to get the sewing machine in Merge Studio. So it's almost the same as most of the items here in game that allows you to drop items, but it does work a little different. You put some cloth in it and it upgrades itself. But again, the same process. You process into the game and progress, and eventually you'll get a reward that will give you the merging items for the sewing machine. You should be able to see your progress technically in the bottom left corner in the collections, and the second section, which is of course this, where you'll be able to see the sewing machine. So this should give you an idea on how far you are from the item, and the sewing machine isn't that far from the camera or the sewing box. So if you see the sewing back box, you should be able to know that you are actually very close to the sewing machine. It's actually found in around level 17 to level 20 or anywhere around that. So just go ahead and progress into the game and eventually you'll be able to get the sewing machine. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.